This video will show you how to set assignments to one or more students in a single class. First, make sure you have the class selected. Click the school or class name that appears in the upper left-hand corner and then locate the class that you'd like to set the assignments in. I'm going to set to Henry period 3. Next, click Assign. I can search by keyword, by curriculum or standard code, or by math domain. I can also use filters to search for only Prodigy or only games. And I can narrow my search by the way that my standards and curriculum is organized in my country region. Another way to locate challenges to assign is to click either coding or math and expand the folders vertically. When you see a plus sign, that means there's more options underneath. And all of the challenges are organized like your standards or curriculum is organized in your country region. You can scroll down through the grade levels and assign any grade level content to your class. I'll pick grade 4 and then keep expanding the headers until I see the content I would like to assign. I would like to assign solve word problems to my students. When you click the tile, options open on the right. You can play it first, just like the students play, to preview the content, or you can click Assign. I have different options that I can change. I can change the start date or due date. I can leave the timer turned on or flip the switch to turn it off. And then I can select which students I would like to receive the assignment. When I click the arrowhead above the checkboxes, I have options. I can assign it to all of my students, those who've received the assignment before but never tried it, those who received the assignment before but never passed it, or I can set it to no students and then individually select students that I would like to receive the assignment. I've selected no students, and I've decided that only 3 students will receive this activity. As you can see, the boxes are not checked for any of the other students in the class, so none of them will see this assignment. I can type a note to the students that will be sent to their inbox that also has a link directly to this assignment. So if this is something special that I want these 3 students to work on today before they do anything else, I could give them that direction here. When I'm ready to set the assignment, I click Done. My Assign button now turns into an Edit button. I can edit the assignment options anytime before the due date. So if I would like to set this to an additional student and turn the timer off, I can do that and then click Done. I'll see the assignment appear in my class assignments list. This is my single class, my class assignments, and here's the assignment that I set to 4 students. Please contact us at support@mangahigh.com if we can help you set assignments to one or more students in your class.